how I more than doubled my income as a medical technologist. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm the travel scientist, and in this video I want to share with you how I more than doubled my income as a medical technologist. Before we get into that, let's talk about how much I earned as a new grad in 2017. After my clinical rotation, I landed a job in St. Petersburg, Florida, and as a newbie, I worked night shifts. My hourly rate was $23.50, and my night differential was about $4.65, which brought me to an hourly rate of $28. Now that was a pretty good pay rate as a new grad. But I was miserable working 5/8 night shifts for 14 months. So I decided something needed to change, and I decided to move to Orlando, Florida. And I landed another job in molecular diagnostics. Now they were offering me $22 an hour, but I negotiated and I told them, hey listen, I won't get anything less than $25, and they gave me $25.65. Now you may be wondering, well, how is that even doubling your income? If anything, you're getting paid much less. And you're absolutely right, I did get less, but I was happy that I wasn't miserable working 5/8 night shifts and I didn't have a whack sleeping schedule. So I was happy. And I was lucky enough to find an apartment that was walking distance to the facility, so I didn't have to use my car to drive to work. Now, during the 2020 pandemic, I began to volunteer in a ministry called SALT. I made new friends, and one of the friends was a travel nurse. Said, I'm pretty sure your position has traveling opportunities. Why don't you check it out? And during this time, I was wanting to move back to California. So I checked it out, and I went ahead and found all these different agencies that worked with CLS, MLS, or medical technologists, which is all the same thing. And I got a call back. And once the recruiter told me how much I'll be making a week, this is when I more than doubled my income. Prior to this, every 2 weeks, I was getting a paycheck of about $1,600 every 2 weeks. Once I landed this travel job in California, they told me I was gonna get $2,400 every single week. Now you have to keep in mind that I left Florida going to California with $74,000 in debt. And I was like, I need to get rid of this debt. I need to figure out how I had to pay this off. That debt had credit card loans, student loans, and car loan. And after moving and taking that job in California, within those first 10 months of being a traveler, I was able to pay off $43,000 of my debt. I still have a little bit of debt left over from student loans, but that's much better than $74,000, which was a lot of money. And I was so stressed. I was like wanting to pay off my debt so bad. Right now I have a pause on my Frair loans because there's a 0% interest rate. If I would have stayed a full-time employee in my previous jobs, paying off $43,000 would have taken me probably years, not months. And I'm just so grateful to be a traveler. And this is how I more than doubled my income. And I'm pretty sure I tripled my income as well. That was my old pay stubs in 2020. Now I'm getting more than that. So I'm making this video to encourage all the other CLSs, MLSs, that there are travel opportunities out there that you can pay off your debt, take more control of your money, and invest in it in different ways. And I just want to encourage anyone to take those travel opportunities, take that travel job, and more than double your income. It is possible. I've done it, and I'm still doing it today. If you have any questions regarding traveling, please let me know down in the comments. I've made several videos that talks about traveling, how to get started, what to know, how to negotiate, understanding the tax home. And so hopefully all these videos help you understand how to start traveling so you can have the confidence you need to go to the next level. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and I hope to see you on the next one.